Hello everyone, I am Anjali Daima from SAS Institute of Management Studies. My topic name is mean deviation. So let us see the meaning definition, merits, uses and steps how to calculate the mean deviation. Meaning of mean deviation. The mean deviation is the first measure of dispersion that we will use that actually uses a data value in its computation. It is the mean of the distances between each value and the mean. It gives us an idea of how spread out from the center the set values is. Definition of mean deviation. Average absolute differences between each value in set of values and average of all the values that sets. Formula of mean deviation. Mean deviation is equal to summation of d upon n or summation of frequency into d upon n. Merits of mean deviation. Mean deviation is rigidly defined and is easy to understand and calculate. Since mean deviation is based on the deviation about an average, it provides a better measure of comparison about the information of different distribution. It is less affected by extreme observation. Demerits of mean deviation. It is rarely used in sociological studies. It cannot be computed for distributions with open class. Mean deviation tends to increase with the size of the sample, though proportionately. Uses of mean deviation. Mean deviation is frequently useful in computing the distribution of personal wealth in a community, for its extremely rich as well as extremely poor people should be taken into consideration. Steps for calculating the mean deviation in individual series. Calculate mean or median as per the instruction given. Take deviation of x from x minus x bar or median d and obtain its summation. Calculate median deviation. Steps for calculating mean deviation in discrete series. Take a deviation from mean x minus x bar from median or get the module d. Multiply f, that is frequency, and d to get frequency of d and also obtain its summation. Steps for calculating mean deviation in continuous series. Take a deviation from mean x minus x bar or from median and get the module and denote this as module d. If you are instructed to find out using mean or median, use all the steps required to calculate it. So here is a small exercise for calculating the mean deviation. So a booklet has 12 pages with the following numbers of words. So here are 12 numbers. What is the mean deviation of number of words per page? So for calculating this, there are 12 numbers given. Mean is equal to summation x upon n. Mean, which we have considered as mu. So add up them and divide it from 12. We will get the answer, that is 309. Step 2. Find the absolute deviation. So for calculating this, we have to minus x minus mu, which we have already find out. So just 271 minus 309, we will get 38. So this is x minus mu bar. Bar is there because there will be not a minus sign in this following table. So you can see summation of x minus mu. So we will get the absolute deviation. Find the mean deviation. Summation is sigma, which means to sum up two vertical lines, that is known as bar. X is each value, m is mean and n is the number of value. So the formula is summation x minus mu bar upon n. So we will just put the values and take the answer. 19.33 is the answer. So thank you guys for listening my PPT. Hope you guys understand whatever the exercise were there in PPT.